Hey there, Anna Malimon here. Today, I want to ask you, I know you're looking for a way to make money online. So, if you haven't found it yet, or you're just like attracted to anything and everything, you have this shiny object syndrome, and this looks good, and that looks good, and this sounds amazing, and that sounds amazing. Let's do this. Like, you're just kind of like overwhelmed by so much information, by so many programs, and you're just like, okay, where do I even start? So, as a mom and as a previous person with someone who was attracted to all the shiny objects, let me just tell you that it can get really overwhelming. You can get like you can become hopeless and just become very I guess not trusting, like you're just like I don't believe in anything anymore, and just lose hope because there's just way too much things going on. So, as a mom, I'm busy. I don't have time to sit around and look through each of the programs. Plus, I don't want to waste my money. So, here, what I've done in the past is I followed one specific mentor and I followed a certain strategy that he has laid out step by step by step. That way, you don't have to buy any courses out there. You don't have to question what to do on a daily basis. And it's just, you have a complete strategy that's outlined for you. And if that's what you're looking for, if you want somebody to virtually like hold your hand, I'm holding your hand, then this is the program for you. You need to definitely check it out because this is going to help you set the right foundation. Then you won't have to spend any more money anywhere else on any other programs because everything that you're going to need is inside one program. And we have each other to help support community. There's everything that you need. There's so many great programs out there. There are, but I feel like community and support is a huge part that plays in part of a course, part of a program, because sometimes you might have questions. Sometimes you might question your abilities, or you might question your beliefs. Well, this is where the community comes in, and this is where the virtual hand holding probably plays a bigger role than the actual strategy itself, because you can just replay the videos over and over again and watch them and figure it out until you get it right, until you understand the material, until you build up your skill. But the mindset or the support, that is not something that you typically have in programs. And that's one thing that I feel for me was most helpful, is that there were always people celebrating me, always people supporting me. And that's what I want to do for you. So if you're ready to jump in and get started and make changes in your life and have a strategic step-by-step plan with videos and community, then this is the right place for you. So check out the links below. I'll post it below, but it is also on my website, on eLifeBOSS.com, and you'll see that there's a link there for affiliate marketing masterclass. That's what you want to go through. You want to go through the affiliate marketing masterclass, register your spot. You're gonna love the training. You'll see what I mean. And you won't have to go after any other shiny objects out there. You don't have to look for more information. Everything is going to be in one place for you. So I hope to see you there. Have a blessed day.